Hello candidates, I am going to dictate you a passage from Legal Progressive magazine, so please get ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 15 seconds. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the Commercial Appellate Court of the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan Bench at Jaipur in D.B. Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 3700 of 2017, by which the High Court has allowed the said appeal preferred by the respondent herein, Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, and has quashed and set aside the award passed by the learned arbitrator confirmed by the Commercial Appellate Court at Jaipur. The appellant, the original claimant Parsa Collieries Limited, has preferred the present appeal, that in the month of March 2006, the respondent floated a tender for joint venture to undertake coal block development, mining and transportation of coal and delivery. That one, Adani Enterprises Limited, submitted a bid which was accepted on 12th May 2006. Respondent and AEL entered into a joint venture, namely Parsa Collieries Limited. The appellant herein, a coal mining service agreement was entered into between the said Parsa Collieries Limited and AEL, that a coal mining and delivery agreement, hereinafter referred to as CMDA, was executed between the appellant and the respondent for supply of coal. As per CDMA, the data of commencement of the contract was 25th June 2011. As per CDMA, between the appellant and the respondent, the coal supply was to commence at the earliest within 42 months or within 48 months from the date of allotment of coal blocks. CDMA also provided a clause for extending the date of commencement. Clause 3.2.1 of the CDMA provided for a scope of work. Clause 4.1.3 and 4.1.4 provided for responsibility of the respondent to inform the appellant as regards the requirement of coal in advance. Clause 4.5 provided for commencement of the date. Clause 5.1 provided for contract of price. Clause 5.2.2 provided for calculation of basic price. Clause 5.4.3 provided for escalation in price. Clause 7.1 provided for force majeure, and clause 7.3 provided for effect of force majeure. There was a delay of 21 months in obtaining the forest clearance and environmental clearance. The appellant started supply of coal to the respondent after the day